Today, we're making a homemade Pomodoro sauce. You can use it on spaghetti or any Italian dish. Start with garlic. Crush a few cloves and then heat some oil in a heavy pot. Add onions and the garlic and sweat the vegetables until they're tender. Add a little salt and then comes crushed tomatoes. Bring it to a simmer and then add the other ingredients. A little more kosher salt for seasoning, and some fresh basil. Put a whole stem in. Crushed red pepper flakes add just a hint of spice. Simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, then fish out the basil and puree the sauce. I like to use a blender for this, but you can also use a food processor or even a stick blender. You want to puree the sauce to break down any of the onion and garlic chunks so it's thick and smooth. To finish, add a few pats of butter for a glossy richness. That's it. Homemade Pomodoro sauce. Make some today.